guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn kinetic typography in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. First we create a composition. Then we click on text and type here. Then after we align the text of the middle. After aligning the text, we go to the Effects and Presets and search, Mesh Warp, and apply on it. Then we change the number of raw 2, and columns 4. Then after we go to the distortion mesh, and set a keyframe in the first frame. For key visibility we press U. After 20 frames, we click on middle column, and slid right hand side. And set a key. After 20 frames we change the rows, slide to up. As we did before. You can change it as per your choice. And it's done. We successfully create a kinetic typography in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching.